Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your leads into Zoho CRM using CSV import step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Log into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the settings icon at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, find and click on Data Administration. From the drop-down options, select Import. You will see an option for Import Data. Choose the module you want to import your leads into, such as Leads. Next, click on the CSV option to initiate the import process. Now, click on the Choose File button to select your CSV file from your computer. Locate your CSV file in the File Explorer and select it. Click on the Next button to proceed with the import. Zoho CRM will display a preview of your CSV file. Review the preview to ensure that all columns are correctly aligned. You may need to map the CSV columns to Zoho CRM fields. To do this, click on the Map option next to each column. Select the corresponding Zoho field from the drop-down menu. Once you have mapped all necessary fields, click on Next. You will be presented with additional import options. Review those options carefully and make any necessary selections. When you're ready, click on the Import button to start the process. The system will begin importing your leads into Zoho CRM. Once the import is complete, you will see a summary of the import results. Check for any errors or warnings that may have occurred during the import. If there are issues, follow the suggested steps to correct them. Finally, navigate to the Leads module to review your newly imported leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.